5 days ago, Microsoft released new Edge version. It's a Chromium based. And if you haven't got it with your latest updates, I'll show you how to download and install one. So what we need to do, we need to open our internet browser. I'm gonna open Edge, and then we need to go to this website, Microsoft.com, English-US and Edge, or you can just type Microsoft.com/Edge. I'll put a link in the description below, and it's gonna take you to this page. And then you click on download for Windows 10, or you can choose Windows 8.1, 8, 7, macOS, iOS, and even Android. And then click on download, and then accept and download. And right here you can click close, and I'm just gonna click on run. And then right here at this window, click run one more time, and then click yes again. And it's gonna install new Edge, and it's gonna replace your old one with the new one. And now we're gonna click on close and continue. Close all the tabs. Once Edge is installed, it replaced the icon on your desktop and also on your taskbar. And right here you can see how it's switching over. So now this is a new version. This is Chromium based. It's gonna look like Chrome a little bit, but I think it actually works faster than the traditional Edge. Now we can get started, and then I'm just gonna close this and I'm gonna maximize it. So right here, as you can see, the layout kind of looked like a Chrome. And then if we click on this three dots and then we click on settings, it's gonna take us to this page, to setting page. It does actually looks like Chrome, but I think in my opinion, it's a little bit cleaner. And you can also synchronize your email with this browser, and you're gonna have access to your documents through this web browser. Hopefully this video was helpful. And once again, thanks for watching.